I'm in love with you. There. I said it. Why did you just say you love me too? I don't know what to say. This is the happiest day of my life. Wow. I'm speechless. So, me, you, I. What are you laughing at? I didn't think this through, okay? So, once again, once we're out of here, would you like to, go on a date with me? Oh, you have to think it. Okay, sure, take your time. No rush at all. Not like we're leaving this hospital soon. I'm glad at least we have a health insurance with our job. Or I don't know how we would have gotten out of this. Would have been our financial ruin. Oh, hey nurse. Oh, he has to go? Alright, I'll see you later then. We'll both be okay soon. I promise. I don't know what to think. She says he loves me too, but she has to think through whether going or not on a date with me. Why are women so complicated? Jeez. I should get some rest, either way. Thinking about her answer will not fast forward things. Come in. Oh, hey. It's you. Oh? You have an answer? No? You don't want to go on a date with me? Oh, what? Why would you say that? You don't want to go out with a crippled guy like me? But I'm gonna be okay. We're both gonna be okay. I promise I'll walk for you. You gotta go? No. Don't go. Don't leave me. No.  'No! 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 Jeez, that was one hell of a nightmare. Calm down, Breaker. Come in. Oh, it's just lunch. Thanks, man. I'm not even hungry at this point. Wait for her answer is killing me. I need to talk slower. For stress and this I can't. Calm down, Breaker. It's all gonna be fine. I'm sure she's just stressed like you. We've been through a lot lately. Okay. Let's see. First, it's them vegetables past. I'll just watch some TV. Let's see. Ooh, I like the series. Can never go wrong with a marathon of a series. Glad I had time for this. Come in. Hey, I'm glad to see you. How are you doing? You've been thinking it through? And you want to say yes, but you're scared. Hey, I promise we'll take it slow. That's not it. Then what isn't? Hey, whoa. You're not trying to meet to a crippled lady. What the hell? Hey, don't cry. Please. Number 1, you're going to walk again, you hear me? And number 2, even if the worst happened, I would be honored to take care of you. I'd carry you to your bedroom every night if I had to. I'm not just being nice. I mean it. There's that beautiful smile of yours. You're not sure I'll be able to carry you? Oh, come on. You little I may be weak right now, but I'll recover stronger than ever. So, is that yes? Oh my god, you have no idea how happy you make. I gotta talk slow. I'm not even gonna get mad right now. I feel like I could conquer the world. I mean it. Well, I get to go out on a date with the most beautiful lady in the world. Oh, that, yeah, I didn't fancy today's this month. I need to eat to recover. I know, but fine, I'll eat it. Nothing. I know you just worry about me. I just hate the food here. Even those awful burritos outside the office taste better. I mean it. But thank you though for caring for me. Hey, tomorrow's a big day. They're gonna try and get us to stand for the first time in a long time. I'm sure we're going to nail it. I don't know about you, but I plan to come out of this stronger than before. So I can destroy you at golf, of course. Oh no, Messi. I'm not losing this time. Brace yourself. Come in. Oh, hey nurse. Oh, see, has to go. Alright then. I'll see you soon, right? Can't wait. Rest, please. We both need it. If we want to hit a better soon. Alright. See you later then. I'm in a daze right now. Well done, Breaker. You still got it. It's nap time, I guess.